Hi everyone, today's tutorial is a fun braided little girl hairstyle. So the first thing I'm doing is wetting the hair down, and then I'm going to pick up a front ponytail and I'm going to put it over to the right side of the head. I want this ponytail to be pretty far over, so I'm going to comb it over to the side because I'm going to be putting in 4 ponytails going down the back that I'm going to be staggering. So this one needs to start pretty far over to the right side. So I'm just adding my spray gel to really smooth down any flyaways, making sure that back part line is really straight before I put in a colorful elastic. And I will link below where you can get the elastics I'm using in this video and any other product. Next, I'm just going to clip that ponytail out of place so that it's not in my way. And then I'm going to continue wetting the hair down. Next, I'm going to pick up a smaller section of hair and I'm going to create another ponytail. This ponytail I want to be just a little bit farther over. I'm making kind of a diagonal line with my ponytails. So this one's just going to be a little bit farther over, not as far to the right. Now I'm going to repeat those same steps with the third ponytail down. Now I'm going to do one more ponytail that's going to go on the left side, but I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to make a ponytail on the right side that I'm going to connect everything into. After doing this tutorial, I decided that I probably should have only done 3 ponytails instead of this 4th one here because it didn't show up as well as my others. So if you're doing this, I may only do the 3 ponytails and then with the remaining hair, put it all in a ponytail on the right side because that's where I'm going to connect all of these into. Next, I'm going to use my topsy tail to flip these underneath, and I will link below where you can get my topsy tail. Now you can always do it by just sticking the hair through, but it's easier if you do have a topsy tail. Once you have all of your ponytails flipped through, now I'm going to start braiding. So I'm using my spray gel and combing the hair out. The reason I'm using spray gel is so that it will be nice and smooth and I won't have any flyaways sticking out. Next, I'm just going to braid the hair down in a 3-strand braid, and I'm going to go past that ponytail on the right side. And then I'm just going to attach it with a clip. That way when I'm done with all of my braids, I can put them into the ponytail with one elastic. So I'm just going to repeat those same steps, braiding the hair and putting them into the clip. Now you want these braids to be nice and tight. You don't want any loose braids here. So just make sure when you're braiding that you're pulling tight. Now that all my braids are done, I'm going to position them in place where I'd like them to be, take out the clip, and then use another yellow elastic to attach them to that bottom ponytail. From there, I'm just going to pull out any braids that I went past that ponytail. And then I'm going to comb through this bottom section, and I'm going to do a 3-strand braid with the remaining hair. Now when you're braiding down like this, you'll know it's time to stop when you have hair that starts to split out the side, and that's when you need to just tie it off with your elastic and be done. Now I think this hairstyle definitely needs a bow. I'm choosing a small little bow for this hairstyle. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. We post several videos each week.